Hello my friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a LG B450. Okay, it's an old phone, but some people is still using it. So it's super simple, but sometimes you don't know, or we don't know. You see right here, you see this little arrow? Just close the phone and then go in the back. You see this little arrow right here? Just push it. See? Your nails. Okay. You see? So this is the phone and this is the model LG B450. This is from T-Mobile. Okay. And to replace the battery, just see these gold connectors. Make sure match the cell phone. Okay, so just go like this. Just insert it like that. That's it. Then put this back. That's it. Okay. So okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that occurs to your device. These are videos for education purpose only. Thank you. Have a good day.